Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make the most out of your HubSpot account and connect it with Google Ads. There are lots of advantages of connecting your HubSpot account with Google Ads. For example, you will be able to download and sync your leads directly from HubSpot into your Google Ad account to build audiences. You'll be able to do bi-directional syncing, meaning let's say you're running a Google ad campaign that uses a lead form extension. Rather than downloading those leads manually and then uploading it to HubSpot, you'll be able to sync those leads coming from lead form extension ads directly into your CRM. That is fantastic, right? Now, not just that, a lot of times people upload contacts, prospects, leads, marketing qualified leads, and even sales qualified leads from offline sources. Say, for example, you are attending an event or a trade show, and then your sales team came across, let's say, a couple of really high quality leads. What your typical scenario is, you will upload those contacts in your HubSpot. You will mark them as marketing qualified lead or sales qualified lead, and it stays there. But let's say you want to engage them through a retargeting ad on Google or even Facebook or even LinkedIn. The best way to retarget them is to upload them. So connecting your HubSpot with Google Ads has a bunch of advantages, and I'll show you how to connect it and few other details. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you need to get into your HubSpot account. Now, the easiest way to connect is click on the gear icon in your HubSpot account at the top right, and then scroll down, and then on the left side under marketing, click on ads. Now this is where you will be given an option to connect your account. So click on connect account and you will have three options. Now, as I said, if you are running an omni-channel campaign where your ads are getting displayed on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google, then I would highly recommend connecting your HubSpot account with all three platforms. So that way you will be able to get a more holistic view of how your entire marketing is performing. Now, something to keep in mind is when you connect your HubSpot account with Google Ads, HubSpot is going to add something called as HS tracking. It's similar to Google Ads G-Click ID. Now, if you don't know what that is, in your Google Ad account, under account settings, ensure that you have auto tagging enabled. Auto tagging is basically, when someone clicks on your ad, Google will add certain UTM parameters that provides additional details in terms of which campaign, ad group, keyword that click came from, which is great information, right? Now, when you connect your HubSpot account, HubSpot will add its own HS tracking code on top of that UTM tracking. And the best part is when you view those contacts in your list view, you can enable like original source, drill down 1 and drill down 2 contact properties, and you will be able to see the exact keyword that was responsible for that lead or that form submission, which is phenomenal, right? You will be able to get granular metrics. All right, so click on Google Ads, and then it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. Once you sign in, you will be presented with a bunch of different ad accounts if you have access to. I am going to choose the one that I want to connect, and then I will hit connect. It's going to take maybe a few seconds, and boom, it says one account connected. That's fantastic. Now hit next, and this is where it's going to ask you to add a pixel, which is basically similar to your Facebook pixel. You can add a pixel to your account. I'm going to select the ad account that I just connected. So it says add a pixel to your website to track visitors and then re-engage them with relevant ads wherever they are online. All right, so that's fine. your pixel will be added to your website automatically using your HubSpot tracking code. Now, I would say, there is another way to do this. You can actually get the integration JavaScript code and then use Google Tag Manager to install HubSpot Pixel. If you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section, but it's a very simple step. All right, I'm going to skip this step, and as you can see, my HubSpot account is now connected with my Google Ad account. If I go back into your ad account, I'm going to just hit refresh. One good way to verify that is click on Tools and Settings, and then click on Linked Accounts. All right, as you can see, your linked accounts and products, it says HubSpot. Now this is fantastic. Now, as you can see, when you start running, campaigns and other promotional activities, you will be able to see metrics over here like impression, clicks, and contacts. You will be able to calculate like return on investment and few of the details over here. Now, another advantage which I want to quickly mention over here is you will be able to build audiences from your HubSpot and then sync those audiences as well. Now this is fantastic, right? The other thing is I want to quickly show you how you can click on or download the leads. So let's see. I don't have access to events, but looks like they have added this new functionality where you can optimize your delivery of your ad campaign with ad conversion events. Okay, that's great. All right. I'm going to click on create an audience over here, and this is what I wanted to show you. There are two options that HubSpot provides. One is, based out of website visitors. I'm sure you're already doing this where, if you have a pixel on your website, then you can sync and create an audience out of Facebook, visitors, and then you can create a custom audience on Facebook, a lookalike audience, and then, run campaign. Or if you have your GA4, Google Analytics 4 connected with your Google Ads account, you can create an audience in your GA4 and then sync it to Google Ads, and then you can run campaign. That's exactly what this option is. But the best part is you can even connect it to your LinkedIn ad account and Facebook ad account. Now this is where it gets super interesting, contact list. Now I'm using a free version, but let's say you have a paid version of HubSpot account. When you click on this option, what's going to happen is you will be able to sync contacts from HubSpot to Google Ads. That is what I was talking about. And that's basically you can retarget. Now think about this. Let's say you have, a contact list, that is only, marketing qualified lead, and they are not yet ready, but you want to run a special, campaign that is about booking a demo or maybe even an offer that is going to push them down the funnel and make them sales qualified. So you can export those marketing qualified leads that you have in your list, and you can sync it to your Google Ad account, and it will show up under Audience Manager. So if I go back and click on Tools, this is where it will show up. Now that's fantastic, right? You can see those custom audiences already from HubSpot. Same is the case for sales qualified leads, or it can be even customers. If you want to sync all your customers into HubSpot and then into Google Ads and run a special campaign, that's fine too. So that's another advantage. Now, I want to quickly show you how you can use this integration to download the leads from Google Ads to your HubSpot account. Let's say you are running a new campaign over here. I'm going to click on leads as the campaign objective. Click on, let's say, performance max, continue, start new. Okay, conversions, United States, blah, blah, blah. All right. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If I scroll down, click on more assets, look at this. You now have an option to create a lead form. And let's say you have configured and created a new lead form. What will happen is Google Ads will give you an option for lead delivery. Now, this is where you can sync your leads rather than the manual option that Google Ads provide over here. Because your HubSpot is already connected, you will be able to sync those leads, which is again a great advantage. So as you can see, there are a bunch of advantages of connecting your ad account and HubSpot, but more importantly, it's about how you can effectively push your audiences down the funnel, create segmentation, create retargeting audiences, and maximize the overall, marketing technology infrastructure. So that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of maximizing your HubSpot and your ad campaign. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.